Hello everyone, today, in this lesson, I will show how to disable Windows Update on Windows 11. Right-click on the Start menu and open Run. Type services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Double-click Windows Update. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Stop if the service is running, then click Apply and OK. Right-click on the Start menu and open Run. Type regedit and hit Enter. Navigate to the AU location. If the AU folder doesn't exist, create it. Inside AU, create a new Word, 32-bit, value named No Auto Update. Set its value to 1. Right-click on the Start menu and open Run. Type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Navigate to the Windows Update location. Double-click Configure Automatic Updates. Select Disabled, click Apply, then OK. By following these steps, you can successfully disable Windows updates automatically. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.